The best welding machines you can own. If you're looking for welding machines that deliver power, versatility, and reliability, whether for industrial work or detailed metalwork, here are 4 of the best you can own. Let's dive in and find out which one fits your welding needs. 1. MaxMech MMA 300 Industrial Welder. The MaxMech MMA 300 is a workhorse for stick welding MMA. It uses IGBT inverter technology, which gives it a stable arc, high energy efficiency, and makes it lightweight and portable. It features a digital current display, a hot start function to help strike difficult arcs, and anti-stick protection, so electrodes don't stick. The MMA 300 is ideal for structural steel, rebar, maintenance, and building fabrication work because of its strong output and rugged performance. Its portability makes it great for mobile welders or small job sites where you need MMA power without hauling a massive machine. Why choose it? For reliable stick welding with the efficiency of modern inverter tech, especially if portability and power matter. 2. MaxMech TIG/MMA 250 DC IGBT Inverter. A versatile DC inverter that handles both TIG and MMA welding. It supports stepless current adjustment and has protection for overcurrent, overheating, and voltage issues. Specs: rated input 230 V, 60% duty cycle, and a no-load voltage around 56 V. It includes accessories like a TIG torch, electrode holder, ground clamp, and a protective mask. This machine is great for precision work. Think thin stainless steel, sheet metal projects, or repair welding. But because of the MMA function, you can also handle stick welding when needed. Why choose it? For dual capability TIG and stick tasks, especially when you need a portable, efficient machine with versatile output. 3. Cayerta TIG Welding Machine WS400N. The Cayerta WS400N is a powerful TIG/MMA welding machine built for more demanding welding tasks. According to its spec sheet, input: 3-phase 380 V, which allows it to deliver up to 400 A output. It has high-frequency arcs striking for reliable starts, even at low current, and a push current adjustment to improve long welds. There's also a delayed gas shutoff, which protects your weld puddle from oxidation when you stop welding. Efficiency is rated at greater than or equal to 85%, meaning less wasted power. It supports a wide variety of electrodes, acid, basic, etc., and works on metals from carbon steel to copper. Use case: ideal for industrial TIG tasks, welding thick stainless steel, precision work on high-value metal, or long welds where stability and quality matter most. Why choose it? For high-current TIG work or mixed TIG/MMA jobs where you need a single, powerful machine that can do both. Recommendation: if you're doing basic stick welding or need a portable MMA welder, go MaxMech MMA 300. For a machine that can TIG weld thin materials and do MMA, MaxMech TIG/MMA 250 is your best bet. For professional-grade TIG with high current and fine control, Cayerta WS400N shines. And for heavy-duty, high-current arc welding, the Cayerta Z-7-630S is a top-tier choice. These machines each serve a different welding niche, but all share modern inverter tech, efficiency, and reliability. Choose one or more, based on the kind of welding work you do, and you'll be set for high-quality performance. If you're seeing this video for the first time, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to stay up to date on our videos and maximize your knowledge. Be sure to check out our other videos to catch up and stay informed. For more information on welding machines or other products, you can reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.